Hi everyone! Today we're gonna be getting a little dramatic with this blue eyeshadow. Yeah, and a little sexy too. I know sometimes that it's a little difficult pulling a blue eyeshadow look. Sometimes it gets a little, bruisey looking, so yeah, we don't want that. So today I'm going to share to you some techniques that I've learned on the way whenever I do blue eyeshadow, just to avoid that bruisiness looking when every time you do your eyeshadow. I know it's not a good thing whenever you see somebody wearing blue eyeshadow and it seems that she looks like she's been just punched by somebody. So let's avoid having that. So I hope that I could explain everything to you in a very easy and simple way, I hope. You like this look, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And if you want to know how I do this makeup here, just keep on watching.
Never ever forget to apply some eyeshadow primer because this helps your eyeshadow last all day and prevents it from creasing. First, I'm gonna use Buck from the Naked palette and I will just be blending it into my crease area. This is going to be our transition color. Now taking this NYX Jumbo Pencil in Coffee Bean, and I'm just gonna be applying it onto the lid area and using this e.l.f. blending brush to blend it and soften the edges. Then I'm gonna be reapplying it again, but now I'm just gonna use my fingers to pat it on to intensify the color, and I will just be repeating it to the other eye. Now taking this beautiful blue eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna be using a flat shader brush to pat it on all over my lids, just into the lid area. Don't go over past your crease, just concentrate the color just mainly into your lid. Don't go any further above your crease. Now I'm gonna be taking Creep to define my outer V area. Just packing on that color and carefully blending it onto my crease, just concentrating on the outer 1/3 of the eye. And at this point, I'm gonna be shaping my eyeshadow the way that I wanted it to be. Now taking Buck again to blend the edges of the shadow so that everything looks really well blended and seamless. Really take your time in blending your eyeshadow because this helps your look more seamless and beautiful if nicely blended, especially if you're working with dark colors like this. As you can see, I'm really taking my time in blending my eyeshadow, and I know that it looks a little weird at this point, but I promise that at the end of this video it will all look put together. Now I'm gonna be applying some eyeliner because I'm an eyeliner type of girl. I always use eyeliner in all my looks, except for really dark smokies, of course. Then do some tight lining to cover some flesh that is peeking through on that area, and then apply your favorite mascara. Then do a little more blending while waiting for my mascara to dry and some highlights onto my brow bone. Then I will just be curling my teeny weeny lashes and apply some falsies to pump up the look. It's not necessary that you do a feline look. You could always alter the shape of your eyeshadow, whichever shape that flatters your eye shape more. Make sure to clean your under eye area because you cannot entirely avoid some fallouts, and especially if you're working with dark colors. Then taking that blue eyeshadow again and applying it to my lower lash line like so, and then I'm gonna be taking that, I think that was Creep, and then overlapping it with the blue eyeshadow that we just applied a while ago, and then carefully blending it and connecting the shadows on the lower lash line and to the shadows on the upper lids, and then I will just be applying some black eyeliner onto my waterline. Then I will be using Buck to even smoke out that lower lash line. Make sure to hydrate and plump up your under eye area in order for your concealer not to crease and settle on the fine lines there. And then I will be applying some BB cream all over my face, and also don't forget your neck. Make sure to brighten your under eye area, especially if you're doing darker looks, so that you will not look so ghostly and bruisey. And then apply some lip balm and then do your eyebrows, and then dusting some powders onto my face just to eliminate a little shine, and then do some contouring onto the nose, yeah, and then contouring onto the cheekbones just a little bit, just to, you know, give some shape and definition. Then add some blush to give colors to the cheeks and some eyebrow mascaras to tame the hairs. Then I'm gonna be applying some peachy nude lipstick to balance the look, since we already have a very dramatic dark eyes. Then I decided to add Sin into the inner corner just to brighten the eye a little. I guess we're all done, and it's very easy and simple, right? Yet very dramatic. You could definitely easily recreate this on yourself. And if you do, please feel free to share it on all my social media accounts: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also in my blog. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Take care, everyone.